guess in the first instance you'd notice things like, changes in behaviour, maybe mood, just generally how your child is behaving. You might pick up on different things that you think, well, this isn't the norm for my child. I guess what's really, really important is that you talk to your child or you talk to your teenager and you find out from them what's going on for them, how they're feeling. And if you're keeping up that conversation, that communication, I guess, they're able to tell you what they need. And you're very able to then pick up on what support they might need at that moment in time. There's a scheme that's been running in Wales now. I think it's been running for well over 10 years. It's bibliotherapy, and what that is a book prescription that patients could ask their GP. The GP will just give them a little slip, like a prescription. They take it along to the library and they can get a book out on lots of different subject areas, mental health issues and others.